Hello everybody, and today we're talking about the environment, part 2. So in the last video, we have talked about carbon emissions. So today we'll continue. Global warming is something which you will talk about in the future a lot. And it could be an increase in average temperature around the world, which most scientists think is the result of carbon emission.
Global warming is a complicated issue. It's also called climate change, and scientists think it's caused an increase in extreme weather events like storms, floods, and rising seas.
A natural disaster is an event in nature that causes a lot of damage. It could be an extreme weather disaster or event like a flood or a cyclone or fire, an earthquake or volcanic eruption.
When we talk about environment, we talk a lot about cause and effects. Talk about water pollution, that's an effect. And properly
a cause.
Yes, is throwing rubbish into the ocean.
Now, if we want to link those into a sentence, we can say throwing rubbish into the ocean causes water pollution. Throwing rubbish into the oceans lead to water pollutions. Throwing rubbish into the oceans result in water pollution. Let's look at some more environmental cause and effect.
Okay. Burning fossil fuels can cause air pollution. Burning fossil fuels result in air pollution. Burning fossil fuels can lead to air pollution. Land clearing cause
habitat loss.
Land clearing lead to
habitat loss too.
And finally, land clearing
result in
habitat loss.
You might have noticed that the sentence start with the cause and link to the effect. You can also form a sentence by starting with the effects and link back to the cause, like this.
Air pollution is caused by...
We know.
No. No!